Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the IELTS Writing Test. I am Simran and today in this video, I'll discuss with you writing task 1. So without wasting any time, let's have a look on the question. The diagram below show how glass containers such as bottles are produced and recycled. Means this is the given graph, the given diagram shows the glass production and glass recycling. This is glass recycling. So summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So let's have a look how many steps are there. For glass production there are 4 steps, and for glass recycling there are 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what's in glass production? Mixing, melting, shaping and glass containers are produced. And in glass recycling, firstly collection of glass take place, then sorting by color, washing because to remove impurities, crushing and melting, and then molding into new steps, means shaping into new steps, new products. So let's have a look how we will answer this. So the rendered picture, means the given picture, represent the manufacturing, production and reuse, recycling of glass items such as flasks. So instead of writing bottles, we are writing flasks. You can add S. Okay. Now a myopic overview. A myopic look at the graph makes it conspicuous that the production of glass undergo 4 stages, whereas recycling has 5 major steps. Okay, we have counted also. And in both process, 2 steps, melting and shaping, are similar. Okay, so in these 2 processes, one was shaping and the other is and in these 2 processes, the 2 steps are also similar, melting and shaping. Let's have a look. See, here melting is taking place and shaping. Here also melting is taking place and molding. Molding means shaping. So these 2 steps are similar in the two processes, glass production and glass recycling. Now, firstly, for making glass bottles, blending means mixing of sand, soda ash, limestone and other required chemicals take place. Means firstly what we do, we mix all these like sand, soda ash, limestone and other required chemicals, and mixing take place. Then melting approximately at 15 degrees Celsius in a glass furnace. In a glass furnace means in the glass tank. Now, after which the obtained mixture is melted at approximately 1500 degrees Celsius in a glass melting furnace. In the next step, the technique of blowing molten glass is used for giving it shapes. Okay. Now, what happened? Molten glass blowing is done to give it a shape, and then glass containers are produced. And lastly, the glass containers are produced. So this was for glass production, and now we will talk about the glass recycling. Now, turning to reprocessing means recycling. Firstly, used glass are assembled, means collected, and then sorted out by its color. Let's have a look. So what is happening? First step is collection of the used glass and then sorting by colors. Means they are differentiating them by the colors. They are collecting one color bottle at a side and another color bottle at the side. So they are classified by their colors. So sorted out by its color. After that, to remove impurities, the containers are washed. Means to remove impurities, you can also write to remove dirt. If you want to use any synonym here, so you can use DIRT, dirt. Okay, so dirt, the containers are washed to remove this. In the penultimate stage, means in the second last stage, the washed glass products are crushed and melted. Then after washing, what happened? They are crushed and then melted. Let's have a look now. For washing take place for removing impurities, and then after that what happened in the second last stage, crushing and melting of the washed products take place, and then molding into new products, means they are given a shape and new products are formed. Now in the last step, new products are formed by molding. It means by giving it a shape. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.